Now, long term here, I want to grade a little bit more of this out. Obviously, take out all the vegetation, and I've got some mesh over here a buddy gave me. So, back of that truck there, big old roll of that mesh. I'll lay that down, and then I'll get some 1.5 inch plus gravel, lay that on top of there, and then a load of crusher run, lay that on top of that, and we should have a pretty good base in here. And I know I've mentioned this before, but I want to be able to bring my travel trailer and store it under here. So that direction is south. Most of, well, it's actually, that's kind of looking southwest, and most of our bad weather comes from that direction. Once in a while we'll get some weather from the northwest, but it's usually not that bad. We'll just see how that goes, but I can pull through and back in whatever right here. I'm going to use my Blue Eddy power station to power the travel trailer, and so it'll be kind of our guest house. They can guests can come down that way, or they can come around and they can kind of park over here where the trucks are. So, you know, I don't know if I really talked about that as far as long-term use, but and then I want to put my trailers back here for the most part. So I've got that big tilt trailer I use for my skid loader, and then I've got a dump trailer. I also have a 5x10 utility trailer that'll probably just kind of park back here too. They're not all going to be undercover, and that's fine. They're just trailers. But I also want to put like my cement mixer, maybe my log splitter that I hardly ever use. I need to put it somewhere. I use that thing maybe an hour or two every year. And snow blower, I'll probably put that inside. Although, I really kind of wanted to put my skid loader in there. I got those two trucks. I want my skid loader undercover, and of course my tractor. So we'll see. I'm not sure what I'm going to put on the inside of the shipping container yet. I want to get those two trucks out of the tall grass, and in there they would be mouse proofed, that's for sure. And the only reason I'm kind of keeping these is to see if the market turns around. You know, it's an old body style Ford, old body style Chevy. I like them for sure, but they're both half tons. The Chevy doesn't even have 4-wheel drive. It does have a strong diesel motor or engine in it. And this is half ton too, but it's 4-wheel drive, and it all works and everything. The fuel pump just went out, so I've got to replace that. But the easiest thing to do is to take the bed out, because it's the fuel pump is the sending unit on top of the tank that goes down in there, or you got to drop the tank, and that's a retirement project, or project that is definitely down the road. And then up top, you know, I can store all kinds of stuff. I was thinking about getting a couple kayaks for the pond and throw them up there when we're not using them. Those are pretty light. All right, take care.